Here we go, 1956. Yeah, Oldsmobile. Starfire. Get your kicks on Route. Yeah, get your kicks on Route 56.
I think my dad had one and he traded it for a 58.
Oh, yeah.
You know, if I'm not mistaken, I thought these were the Cadillac air cleaners, but maybe it is. Maybe it is. I don't know. Maybe that's an Oldsmobile also, but maybe they're both. I wonder how the hell the brakes work on this thing, because I don't see the master cylinder unless it's behind that black cover there. Oldsmobile Rocket. It's an old Rocket 88. That was like an original style, original power steering pump. And it's convertible, red and white. Red and white two-tone, red and white tear interior, and there's your boot cover. So, automatic. See a speaker over there on the right. It's like the same size as the gauge pod, which is nice. There might be a speaker in the middle of the seat back there. I'm not sure. You got speakers down there on the floor. You added those. You notice the styling though. It's like a rocket. Got rocket bullet lights, low swept in the back with the fender skirts. You look how the exhaust is tucked up in there real tight to the bumper too, you know. Yeehaw! We're playing old style music now today. All right. You see General Forrest coming here to the cavalry pretty soon here, right? There you go.